Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
In today's video, we are going to see how you can use your PDF connector and its method. So let's start by looking into the sample PDF we have. So I downloaded this from the Google itself. So this is the sample PDF where you have text and you have tables and also you have some images. Let's use this to explore all the methods. Now let's go back to the studio, and in order to add your PDF connector or any connector, just go with this global objects and right click on this add connectors, and you can just enable and you can add your connectors. So I have added my PDF connector. Let's double click on this to weave its method. So you can weave the methods in the object explorer. So first, in order to use any of the PDF, or first is to load the actual PDF. So now let's load the PDF, wherein we have to provide the file path and password in case the file is password protected, and in my case the file is not password protected, so let's only provide the file path. And I have my file in the project folder itself, so let's open the project folder, and this is the sample 3 PDF. So let's provide the path now. So now let's run this. So this is completed. Oh, the PDF has been loaded successfully. So now let's look at the different methods, and we'll start with the convert methods, which is convert to Excel. And also first we'll see how you can actually get the text from the PDF. Okay, so I'm just going to use the get text, drag and drop it over here, and you have to provide your from page to page. So for now I'm just going with the first page till the third page of the PDF. So the first page of the PDF starts from the count 0, not from 1. So we'll go with 0, and let's use 2 to read the 3 pages of the PDF. And to display the output, let's use a message box, which is show component, and let's map the string to the output of the show. So now let's run the process and see the output. Okay, you can see that we have let's copy this and let's open the notepad and compare the output. So first it started from this something called CE Docs Limited 2012. Let's open the document. Let's go to the first page, and which is from here. So it started printing from the first page till the third page. So it is running as expected. So we'll click on OK. And now we'll start exploring the convert methods, which is convert to Excel. So let's drag and drop this, and we'll use this over here. We have to provide the Excel path to have the PDF in an Excel format. So let's create an Excel, which is we'll create like convert to. We have to provide the format. So in case you are not aware of the exact format, just give it a random format. When you run the process, you get an error where you can actually see the actual format that the RPA expects. So now let's run the process, before which we'll just have a look at the project folder where we don't have any Excels on today. So let's run and see the output. Okay, we have some error. Let's look at the error. And if you see, we have to provide the format in XLS, not in XLX. So let's change the path and we'll give only XLS format and rerun the process now. So the execution is completed. So let's go back to the folder, and you can see that we have an Excel which is convert to Excel. So let's open this now, and you can see all the pages of the PDF in a different sheet. So in sheet 1 you can see all the content from the PDF sheet page 1. So similarly you have, so in total we have 20 pages in the PDF, and it has printed each and every pages in a different sheet. So this is also running as expected. So let's close this, and the next method is convert to HTML. So in case you want the PDF to be printed in any HTML format which you want to use it in the different components, so we can go with this. So it accepts actually a page number. So let's not provide the page number for now, and let's see the output. And also I'm going to have the message box, and also write it in the text file or in a different file. So let's just run this process now. Since we have not given the page number, it tries to convert every single page from the PDF to HTML, so it takes some time. So you can see it has printed everything. Let's copy and let's paste it over here. So this is the HTML format for the entire PDF. Now let's just provide the page number and we'll see the output. So let's go with the page 1 and we'll run this. So this is completed, and also you can differentiate the time it take. So this is done. Let's copy. So yes, this is completed, and we have convert to image. So let's drag and drop this. So for the convert to image, you have to provide the page number, and also you have to provide the image path to save the output. So let's call it as convert to image. Let's save it in the PNG format. And also you can see two different parameters, which is DPI and the quality, which is default. In case you want to change the quality or the pixels of the image, you can just go with that, but I'm not going to change anything for now. So let's just print it, and we'll print or we'll convert the first page, which is the 0, and we'll run this. So this is completed. Let's go to the folder, and you can see we have convert to image, which is for the page 1. So this is page 1, and we have that in the image format. So now let's look at the next component, which is convert to images. So the one which we have executed is just convert to image, which convert a specific given page to image, whereas convert to images can convert the entire PDF into an image format. So let's run this by providing the folder path. Let's create like convert to images, and we'll see the output. And I'm not going to output the folder's name, so let's just first convert the images, and we'll see how you can actually get the list of file names from here. So I'm going to run this. Okay, we have an error. Let's look at the error. Okay, it cannot export the image. Please check the output path. Let's check the path. Everything looks good. Probably we'll just clear and rerun it. Okay, still we have the error. Okay, so we have to create it, I guess. So let's create the folder with the same name, which is convert to image. Yes, I think so. Let's run. So yes, it has completed. So make sure you have the folder defined already in the given folder. So let's go to the folder and see the output, which is convert to images. And you can see it has converted each and every pages of the PDF into a single image. So we have total 20 images, and you can see all the pages from the PDF. Let's see how you can actually use the list output to print the file names of each PDF, for which I'll go to the toolbox, and let's use like for loop to print it. So I'm going with for each. So we'll use a list to the collection, and we'll use the message box to display its name. So I'll keep the breakpoint here so that I can stop whenever it's required, and we'll run this now. So you can get the path to each and every PDF from here. So it will actually print till the 20 pages of the PDF. So let me stop it now, and let's have a look at the next component, which is convert to Word. So this just convert your PDF into a Word format. So let's load the PDF, convert it, and let's provide the path. So I'm going to provide convert to Word dot. So I'm going to use the DOC format, which is the document, and let's run this. So this is completed. Let's see the output. So this is completed. Let's open. Okay, so you can see all the pages of the PDF in the Word format. And the next component, which is convert to XML. So let's drag and drop this. So this is same as the HTML one, in which you can actually provide the page number, which then convert into an XML path. So let's provide the page number. I'll go with 2, maybe I'll go with 16. And here for HTML you don't have an internal path in the component itself, but here you have a path. So let's call it as convert to XML. .xml format, and let's run this. And also we have a different parameter which is convert tables only. Okay, so in case you have some tables and you want the XML format only for the tables, then you can go with that, and let's keep it default for now, but you can also change the value in case it required. So let's run this. Okay, sorry, I didn't load it. Okay, let's run. So this is completed. Let's go back here and see convert to XML. So it has given the XML format only for the tables. Okay, I think we have covered all the convert methods, and also every time when you load your PDF, make sure you use the close method to close it, so that it close every time it read. If not, it have multiple instances of the same PDF. So make sure you just use a close after every component. That's it. Now we have covered all the convert methods, so let's end up this video for now, and in the next video we'll look at rest of the PDF methods, like which is get all tables till the split method, which will be my next video. And thank you so much for watching this video till end.